Morning, YouTube land. Well, good morning or good afternoon. I have no idea when this video is going to go live, but today we are here at Fairport Junction, well, not really a junction, but a railroad platform that the town of Fairport in New York built. Now, yes, it's cool. It's for us rail fans, but there are a couple drawbacks. No public facilities, so plan ahead. There's no real light on the train tracks shining on the tracks, so filming at night is a little difficult, especially since I caught Q561 this morning and it was under the cover of darkness. Yes, that's my truck. Then zoom in here. I'll zoom in on the wheels. CSX actually donated those. This is the Albert H. Knapp Rotary Pavilion. I have no idea where the wheels came from. I'm assuming they just came from some rolling stock, but they actually made benches out of them. And then up here, CSX also donated this signal. I am not someone who knows a lot about signals, so please, if you know something about these, please tell me. And then you got the ramp over on that side and stairs on this side. And there's the wheels. You know, people kid, but here's a representation of how big the wheels actually are. I think someone said they weigh, oh shit, I think they were like a ton each. And little kids have drawn on the concrete, which I think is, pretty cool. Then you got just a bench, proper social distancing procedures here, protocols, what have you. But it affords a great view, nice morning sunset that naturally cameras don't capture well. Yeah, CSX left their junk along the tracks, I know. Yell at CSX. But, oh, there's another thing. Scanner, 6 a.m. to 11. Yes, it does turn on at 5:57. They say it's supposed to rain today, so I don't know how long I'm going to stay, but we're going to find out where you can actually stand when it starts raining here. Because, you built a platform with no roof. But, yeah. Just a little note for people who might want to come here. The edges are best because, they put giant poles in the way. And then down here, I've seen some people show up and, because of the whole COVID thing, they sit in the car and they do like what I do and they sit in the back of the trucks down at the far yonder corner of the lot here. But hey, it is what it is. But I just figured I'd take some time to show you guys this, just if you happen to be in upstate New York and you want to come visit with us, come hang out. I know I'm not particularly from Fairport, so it's a bit of a drive for me, but okay, I'm getting tired of holding this. I'm going to put you guys down. But it's a nice place. I would highly recommend it. Lots of good eating places around here too, so when it comes time for lunch and what have you, yeah, so alright, peace out everyone.